What if you could prove your identity online without handing over your passport, email, or phone number to a giant corporation? That's the promise of decentralized identity, or DID. In today's video, we'll break down what DID is, why it's so important in Web3, and how MetaEarth is using it to build the foundation of a fairer, more secure digital world. So let's start with the problem. In Web 2, your identity is controlled by centralized platforms like Google, Facebook, and Apple. They collect your data, track your behavior, and store your personal information on their servers. You don't own your login, they do. If they decide to lock you out of your account, change their rules, or they get hacked, you lose control. Now let's compare that to Web 3, a decentralized internet where you own your own identity and data. This is where DID comes in. Instead of logging in with Google, you log in with yourself. A DID, or a decentralized identifier, is like a digital passport you fully control. It's built on blockchain technology and cryptography, so it's secure, verifiable, and portable across different platforms. Here's what makes it different. It's self-sovereign. That means you generate it and you own it. No company can take it away. It's privacy first, so you can prove facts without exposing all your data, like proving that you're over 18 without sharing your birthday. It's interoperable, meaning your DID works across different apps, wallets, and blockchains. Think of DID as your universal key to Web3, but unlike Web 2 logins, no middleman is watching you. Web3 is more than just crypto. It's DeFi, DAOs, NFTs, social networks, even digital citizenship. But without a secure identity layer, it's fragmented. DIDs solve three big problems. Firstly, they bring trust because users and apps can verify each other without relying on centralized authorities. They improve security by reducing the risk of hacks, data leaks, and identity theft. And they expand access, allowing people without traditional documents, like refugees or those in underserved regions, to still participate in digital economies. In short, DID is the missing link that makes Web3 usable at scale. So how does the MetaEarth fit into this? MetaEarth is building MeID, a DID system designed for global, real-world adoption. Every user sets up a DID inside the MePass app, tied to their wallet. With MeID, you can prove who you are or that you meet certain conditions without giving away unnecessary data. This DID connects you to rollups or decentralized applications across MetaEarth, from DeFi to refi to local DAOs. But MetaEarth goes further. MeID is also the foundation for on-chain UBI distribution, ensuring fair allocation without fraud. It supports carbon footprint tracking, linking real-world actions to transparent records, and it powers cross-chain interoperability, letting your identity travel with you across different ecosystems. Think of MeID as your digital passport for the MetaEarth ecosystem. Secure, private, and designed for impact. Identity is power. In Web 2, corporations governments hold it. In Web 3, DID gives you power back to you. With MeID, MetaEarth isn't just building another blockchain feature. It's building the foundation for digital sovereignty, financial inclusion, and real-world adoption. Decentralized identity is more than just a buzzword. It's a gateway to a fairer internet, and MetaEarth is leading the way with MeID. So download MePass today and set up your MeID and start exploring the future of a Web3 identity for yourself. Also, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs to understand why DID is the next big thing in crypto.